Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Blended Librarian at Goa. This is part 2 of my SciSpace demo tutorial. In the previous video, we explored tools like Chat with PDF, Extract Data, Paraphraser, AI Writer and Citation Generator. In this video, we will continue our journey by exploring 4 more advanced tools on SciSpace, that is Find Topics, Literature Review, AI Detector and PDF to Video. Let us begin. So we are again on the home page of the SciSpace. Let us say you are just beginning your dissertation or research project and you are feeling overwhelmed. You know you are interested in AI in education, but you are not sure how to narrow it down. That is where the Find Topic feature in SciSpace can really help you. To start, click on the Find Topics tab in the left-hand menu. In the search bar, simply type AI in education or any other topic you want to search for. So we will check AI in education. Then press enter. Within few seconds, SciSpace uses AI to analyze thousands of research papers and suggest a list of trending, high-impact and research-worthy topics. So in the result, you can see a brief summary about the topic, and down in the table, one side list of topics and other side the sources. You can click on Show All Sources to check all the sources. You can click on any suggested topic to instantly explore related papers and refine your ideas further. See, it has further refined your search. This is about your topic you were searching for, and it has again given more topics and sources. You can read all this and finalize on your topic. This feature is especially powerful for students who need to write research proposals, identify gaps in literature, or come up with project ideas for term papers or dissertation. With just single keyword AI in education, you have now uncovered multiple research directions. It is like having a brainstorming session with a research mentor, but much faster. So if you are stuck wondering what to research, Find Topic is your smart starting point. Now that you have explored potential research directions using Find Topics, let us say you have finalized your topic, the role of AI in enhancing personalized learning in education. The next step is to dive into the existing literature or to do the literature review. And SciSpace makes this incredibly simple with the literature review feature. Go ahead and click on literature review in the left panel. In the search box, type in your finalized topic or just use the broad term. In this case, we will use AI in education. And press enter. As you can see, SciSpace quickly arranges key concepts into thematic groups. Instead of going through dozens of PDF manually, you get a mapped out summary of most relevant studies, which makes the process smoother and more structured. Let me explain to you the interface. Here on top, it has given you the brief summary of your topic. You have option to change the citation style, either APA or numbered. In this case, it is APA. If you want, you can change this to number. And you can click on apply. See, from the APA, it has come to number. By default, it was APA. You can also get the summary in the bullet form or paragraph form. We have selected paragraph and you have to say apply. Down below in the paper, you can see different relevant papers. You have option to add columns to your table. So if you are interested in reading only conclusion, you have to click on conclusion. So one more column of conclusion will be added to your table. If you are interested to know the method used, you can click on method used or literature survey, limitation, contribution. Whichever column you want to add, you can add. If you don't want, you can also remove the column. So instead of reading full papers in the table, you can read about all the papers at one place. Here there are more filters. You can filter your results in based on the publication type. Like if you are interested in only journal article, you can click on journal article. If you want book chapters, book patent, you have to select and then say apply. You can also select the year, like you are interested in only last 3 years papers or last 5 years papers. Then keywords you can, or if you want to exclude certain keywords, you can put here. Then we have selected journal article, we will apply and see. In this result, it has now filtered only journal article. If you have seen earlier, the result were like journal article, book chapter or book. Now since we have selected only journal article, it will show only journal articles in the box. You can further select this, like if you are interested in only open access articles, you can click on open access, then top papers, or you want the PDF, then you can click PDF. Then here you can sort by relevance, or you want papers with high citation count, then you can click this. Then newest first, oldest first, you can click on this. We will see citation count. So it will arrange the paper with the number of citations. So it will show papers with number of citation. The paper with more citation will come on top, and then it will go in the decreasing order. See, here it is 1.8K, 1.4K, 434. You can also select other topics. You have the option to export this table in the CSV, Excel, BibTeX or other formats. You can click on the paper and get the paper in another tab to read. You can also chat with this paper here. Here you can read the paper. And you can chat with the paper here. Here you can also see some suggestions like explain abstract of this paper, conclusion from this paper. You can either click on these suggestions or you can type in your questions. We will try clicking on the suggestions. See, the chat box has given you the answer. You can use these suggested topics or you can type your topic. Here you can also see other options like on the PDF of this research paper, you can click on the PDF. The PDF file of this paper will open. You can also get the summary of this paper. You can read the summary. Here you can chat with the paper, and this is chatting with one paper. If you want to chat simultaneously with more than one paper, you can select two paper and this option will open, chat with two papers. Click on that. So simultaneously you can chat with two papers. Mean whatever you are typing, the answer will be derived from the two papers. So if you want, you can ask like what is the objective of this paper. So the chatbot will search for the answer in the two papers you have selected, and the answer you will get, it is from the two papers. Similarly, you can chat with more than two papers also. In short, SciSpace not only help you find what's already been said about the topic, but it organizes it in a way that easy to understand, cite and build upon, making it essential companion for writing your literature review. Now that you have explored the research landscape and gathered key papers for your literature review on AI in education, you might have started drafting your own content, either by summarizing those articles, paraphrasing sections, or even using the AI tool to help articulate your ideas. But here's the challenge: how do you make sure your content doesn't sound like it was entirely generated by AI? This is where the AI detector in SciSpace becomes helpful. So go to the left panel and click on the other tool of SciSpace, that is AI Detector. In this tool you have option to either start writing your content here, or you can paste your content, or you can also upload the PDF file. If you have completed writing your draft and you have converted it into PDF, you can upload the PDF here. So we will paste our content. So you have to say analyze. So click on analyze. See, it has shown 100% AI generated content. This gives you a clear idea of how natural and original your content sound. If your score shows high percentage of AI generated text, it might be a signal to revise your phrasing. This tool is particularly valuable for student researchers and educators who want to ensure that their thesis, research paper, or assignments are of good quality and of scholarly rigor. Plus, it is a great way to self-check before running your final draft through formal plagiarism or originality check. After finalizing your topic, reviewing the literature, and crafting your original content, you are likely left with a well-written but static document. Your document will be either a Microsoft Word document or a PDF document that sits on your computer or gets uploaded to an institutional repository. But what if you could breathe life into the document? What if your research could speak, move, or engage your audience? That's exactly what the PDF to video feature in SciSpace allows you to do. For that, you have to go to PDF to video tool. So click on the PDF to video tab and upload your completed research article. Click on the upload PDF button and upload your completed article. This side you can see one example how the paper has been converted from PDF to video. You can also add your avatar. So we will first see uploading the paper. Click on the upload PDF. So select the paper you have created. You can convert your paper into video or a presentation. It will take some time to convert the PDF into video. We can click on the slides to check how it has converted from PDF to presentation. See how simple and beautiful it is. In just few clicks, it has converted your paper into a presentation. So if you are running out of time and you want to present your paper within few seconds, you can convert your paper into presentation. Click on video to see how beautifully it has converted your paper into video.
Welcome to our presentation. We are thrilled to share our research on the transformative power of reading. Our paper highlights 10 remarkable benefits of reading, from enhancing academic performance to boosting mental health. We hope to inspire everyone to cultivate a reading.
You can also share this on different social media platforms. There is one more option here. In this video, you have seen that AI is talking. You can also add your avatar. So create your AI clone and you can use your avatar in the presentation or in the video. So this was the last tool in the series SciSpace. I hope you understood all the tools. Let us quickly recap what we have covered in this part 2 of SciSpace series. We started with find topics to generate relevant research ideas. Then we moved to literature review to organize our reading. Next, we used the AI detector to maintain originality. And finally, we saw how to turn a paper into a short explainer using PDF to video. These tools make SciSpace more than just a writing assistant. It is a complete academic support platform. When combined with the tools in part 1, SciSpace become a complete academic assistant. If you have not watched part 1 yet, I highly recommend checking it out. Thanks for watching. Do like, comment and subscribe to my channel Blended Librarian at Goa and happy researching. Dev Bare Karo.